Hey everybody, my name is Matt. I am your personal odor expert. I'm going to be taking out the tobacco smell out of this car, which was purchased recently from a car dealership. They sometimes let these things slip through the cracks, but I'm actually at the the car owner's home, and I'm doing a house call, and that's what I do. And I already started treating this car. Now, if you look carefully down here, you will see some liquid, and if you see that it's brown, that's because it's starting to draw and pull out the tobacco residue from the car. And actually, even down here inside the cabin filter housing, you can see some residue discoloration that will off-gas into the intake of the HVAC. I removed the cabin air filter. They're going to get a new one, but I basically treat the car from head to toe. My name is Matt. I can do your car or your home, your apartment. That's me right there. Hey, look, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice, and you take it easy. And if it's real easy, take it twice.